We will be using an official React boilerplate created by Facebook's team. You also need to install Node.js on your local machine. I already have it, so I'll skip the installation part, but you can download it on nodejs.org. Let's go back to the GitHub page, and first of all, what you need to do is you need to npm install create react app with the global flag, and this will take a few seconds. Now that we have it installed, you can go back to create react app GitHub page, scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the quick overview. I don't need to use this npx, so I'll just copy create react app, paste it in, and the first argument is the folder name. I can actually show you if I remove the folder name. If I press enter, it will say that I need to specify the project directory. For example, create react app, my react app, and I'll do just that, and I'll name my app TV series app. So this will probably take a while, a minute or two. Now that our app has successfully been created, I'll change directories to the TV series app, and I'll type in npm start, press enter, and this should spin up the development server. If you're spinning it up for the first time, it will probably take a while. And congratulations on setting up your React environment.